Welcome all. We have already started our ninth lesson, that is decimal fractions. So now we are going to see the next part of this lesson. We are going to convert the rupees into rupee and paise, and then if the particular notation is given to you, we are going to convert into the decimal form. You can see that thing in the board itself. So now how many rupees and how many paise? Here you can see rupees 58.43 is present. So this part which is present over here, it is termed to be as rupees. And this part which is there after decimal point is termed to be as paise. So how I am going to write this? They ask you how many rupee, how many paise? It is 58 rupees and 43 paise. For your kind information, I will tell you 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. You will be knowing this, but still. Now, rupee 9.30, it is 9 rupees and 30 paise. Is this clear? The part which is coming on the right from my left side is 9, that is rupees, and that part is said to be as the paise. Now here there is a next question. How many rupees in decimal form? We are going to write this given thing into the decimal form. 6 rupees 25 paise. Focus on this rupees now. Rupees is highlighted, so rupees will be coming first. It is 6 rupees and 25 paise. I have told you it is been separated with the help of that dot. So it is 6 rupees and 25 paise. 8 rupees and 5 paise. Always remember this part which is present, you are going to write in 2-digit form. Right now it was 25, so you can clearly write it. But 8 rupees and 5 paise, you are going to write rupees symbol, 8 over here, point. Don't write only 5. I have told you to write in the form of 2 digits. You are going to write at 05. Don't write paise, sorry. It is 8.05. Normally this notations you can see on the back of the tablets or the medicines which you are purchasing. Okay, we will see the next part. So now we are going to see the next part, that is how many meter and centimeter. For that basic conversion is 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. This you should be knowing very clearly. Okay, 58.75 meter is given to you. They have asked you how many meter and how many centimeter. Always remember meter is bigger than centimeter. So this part which is there, this is going to come to be as meter, and this will be 75, that is going to be termed as centimeter. So I am going to write as 58 meter 75 centimeter. Rupees it was, so rupees size symbol was over here. Always remember these units are always mentioned or always written on the right hand side. Okay. So now 7.02 meter. It is 7 meter and 2 centimeter. Is this clear? The next part of it is we are going to see over here how many meter in decimal form. This we are going to write in the decimal format. 1 meter 50 centimeter, only point you are going to add in between. It is 1 meter and 50 centimeter. Don't write over here centimeter, write the symbol M over here. Okay. 734 centimeter. First convert it. You can see over here 734 means what it is? 700 plus 34. 700 means how much? It is 7 meter and 34 centimeter. 700, you are knowing over here. 1 meter is 100, so 700 means 7 meter. And 7 meter and 34 centimeter means what? 7.34 meter. Okay, so we will see the next part. So now we are going to see the next part, that is how many centimeter and millimeter. I will just give you the question, that is 7.6 centimeter. For your information, I will tell you. So now we are going to see the next part over here, that is how many centimeter and millimeter. So 7.6 centimeter. I have told you 1 centimeter is 10 millimeter. So this is 7 centimeter and 6 millimeter. The part of this is going to come in millimeter, and this part which is here, it is going to come in centimeter. 9.8 centimeter is 9 centimeter and 8 millimeter. Now how many centimeter in decimal form? 7 centimeter, 8 millimeter, it is 7.8 centimeter, and 8.8 centimeter and 3 millimeter is 8.3 centimeter. Always remember this first notation is you going to write over here. Now half, quarter, 3/4 in decimal form. Half, how we are going to write in decimal form? It is 0.50. Quarter you are going to write as 0.25 and 3/4 you are going to write as 0.75. If the question is asked to you half, 4 and quarter, write in decimal form. 4 and quarter. How you are going to write this? 4 point quarter is what? 0.25. So this 25 will come over here. So we will see the addition and subtraction based on decimal numbers. So now we are going to see the addition and also the subtraction of decimal numbers. Addition means what? The first number which is given to you, you are going to write in the first way. That is 78.43. Addition it is, so plus over here. Now it is 0.09. So below point you are going to write point. After point you will see which numbers are present, 09, and before point which number is present, 0. Okay, so I am going to add it. You have understood how to place it. 9 plus 3 is 12, 1 over here. 4 plus 1 is 5. Point will be down to point. 8 plus 0 is 8, and this is 78.52 the addition. So the next part is subtraction, that is 74.63. So the first number I am going to write as it is over here, minus 23.89. Now 3 minus 9 is not possible. So whatever you are doing in subtraction in the normal method, same method you will do over here. This 3 will be good and it will be converted into 13, and this will be getting converted into 5. 13 minus 9 is 4. 5 minus 8 is not possible, so I will do this 15, and this will be getting converted into 3. 15 minus 8 is 7. 3 minus 3 is 0, and 7 minus 2 is 5. So this is your answer, 50.74, and that answer is 78.52. I hope you have understood these questions. So whenever I will give you the question answers based on the workbook, please write it down in your books. Thank you.